What's up guys, this is Tatiana. If you're a business owner and you think that TikTok is not a platform for promoting your business, if you still think that TikTok is only for teenagers and all about stupid dances, then make sure to watch this video until the end because I'm gonna give you several reasons why you should start TikTok right away to help your business to grow. So guys, I'm gonna be brutally honest with you. If you're not gonna start TikTok right away after you have watched this video, it's going to be already too late within several months. Just think about this in that way. When Instagram was launched, by the way, Instagram turned 10 years this year. So when Instagram was launched, people really underestimated this platform. But those people who believed in this platform from the beginning on gained really huge audience when those people were using different ways for promoting their accounts, including these bots that were very popular. And I know that many bloggers that are popular right now grew their account in that way. So those people who believed in that gained their piece of pie. Those people who didn't believe in that want to grow on Instagram right now, but it's already too late. I'm gonna be honest, it's too late. It's really hard to compete with so many people that are already using this platform and who already established a strong brand on Instagram. It's really not that easy to compete with the big players on Instagram, or especially if you have a small business. The other thing is, growing organically on Instagram is not possible anymore. You have to invest a lot of money into growing, into seeing this growth. There is still some possibilities to grow organically if your content go viral, but that happens really rare with Instagram. And within just 1 year, I know a couple cases that went viral, but this is whole another topic. TikTok, there's no way you can grow TikTok rather than organic, right? So the organic growth on TikTok happens. It's just, I don't know, it's just amazing. And the only thing that I want you to understand is it's still happening. And it was easy 1 year ago, but it's still happening now. You won't be able to see the same growth within few months. It's gonna be harder and harder to grow a TikTok account organically. And let's go to the first reasons why you actually should start your TikTok right away. Well, first of all, TikTok is the fastest growing social media platform out there in the whole history. TikTok did not publish the fresh numbers, fresh statistics about their active monthly users, but according to some statistics and some sources, this number is around 800 million active users per month. They have published their statistics back in 2018, and this number was 500,000 active users per month. And I think this 800 million active users is actually not a real number. This is just estimated number, but some sources, it's not from official source. So, but I think that this, and I believe this number is much, much higher. In comparison to Instagram, Instagram has 1 billion active users per month. So, but you have to keep in mind that Instagram is much older than TikTok. Well, actually, I'm not really sure when TikTok was officially launched because it has some problems to expanding to different countries. And in the beginning, it used to called Musical.ly, and then it was converted to TikTok. So there is a little bit confusion in the history. But anyways, TikTok is much younger than Instagram, and it has already really huge audience of the active monthly users. Very first reason, pre-reason that I mentioned here is it's going to be too late because the more people joining this platform, the more competitive it gets to grow your account organic. If it's not now, then it's not going to happen at all, or it will be very difficult, or at least not that easy as it's now to grow your TikTok account. But you're gonna ask me, Tati, but how is that possible to grow your content? I was trying with Instagram, but it didn't work. Well, TikTok algorithms, and this is the reason number 2, works absolutely different than Instagram. Right now, it's impossible, I'm gonna be honest with you, it's impossible to grow your Instagram account organically. You need to invest money into this. While on TikTok, you don't need to invest anything. It just grows organically because this is how TikTok algorithm works. The virality of the content, that's how TikTok is working. On Instagram, you won't see that. The more views one of the video gets, the more watch time one video gets, the more traffic it gets. TikTok algorithm works for you, for promoting your content, not against you, right? Because in most of the cases, and what I hear from you guys about Instagram, that it's not happening the same on Instagram. There's not so many cases on Instagram, especially today, about that any kind of content went viral on Instagram. It's not that easy, right? For Instagram content to go viral, while on TikTok is so easy. One of my friends, she has published published a video. She published a video, and it was the third video on her TikTok account about painting. She was just painting and she just showed the process. And this video got almost 100 million views, guys. Just 100 million views. And TikTok algorithm works actually in a pretty simple way. Well, first of all, it has to be really catchy content, interesting, and the more time, the higher is audience retention. What is retention is the average amount of seconds being watched by per user, right? So the longer the user watched your video, or maybe until the end, the better it is, the more chances your content has to go viral. It works absolutely different, and the chances for you to make your content to go viral are super, super high. There is a number 3. I know what you're gonna say, but Tati, my audience is not there. There is no people who can pay for my products or for my services. This is so not true. By the way, if you guys using TikTok, let me know in the comments section how old are you and if you're a payable audience. I'm using TikTok and I'm a payable audience. A year ago, when I made my first video about TikTok for businesses, the audience on TikTok was really young, right? But this really changed the current situation that happened nowadays, and many people are doing home office, you know, staying at home and all that stuff. I'm not gonna pronounce this name out loud because YouTube will have a possibility to block my video for, you know, for organic growth, but you know what I'm talking about. So anyways, once the people, you know, doing more stuff at home, the more people join actually this platform. So what I'm seeing right now is that there's really a lot of, let's call it a payable or solvent audience, right? More and more people that are able to purchase products, services are joining this platform. So if you think that you won't find your audience there, well, just think about this, as there are some assumptions that this platform has 800 million users per month, active users. You really think you will not find the audience that is eager to pay for your products or services? I truly believe that you will definitely find your audience for your niche. And the last reason why you should start TikTok right away, well, because you can actually repurpose your content that you make for TikTok for other platforms. That will bring you even more traffic. Once you make a TikTok video, you can actually republish it on 2 extra platforms that will not take you a lot of time, but will bring you extra traffic. First of all, it's Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels is really booming, right? Instagram really pushes this new Reels feature because I was looking and comparing it with my post views compared to the Reel views. The Reels views are much higher. So this is the type of content that actually will help you to grow your Instagram account. But what you can do, you can create one piece of content just for TikTok and then publish the same piece of content on Instagram Reels. And the next platform where you can publish your TikTok is on Pinterest. But let me guys show you how I do it. It's super simple. I'm gonna open my TikTok account. I'm just gonna start recording the video. I'm gonna go to TikTok. Let's say I want to publish this video. I'm going to, we are going to save it as a live photo. In that way, the TikTok video will not be saved with watermark of TikTok, because this is a little bit annoying. So once you saved your file in the camera roll, we're gonna choose this arrow button, and here we will choose save as video. And voila, it's saved as video. And now all you need to do is to open your Instagram account, go to Reels, and then publish it as a Reel. We'll make sure that this video should not be longer than 30 seconds, because on TikTok you're allowed to upload content that is about 1 minute long. On Instagram Reels, it's up to 30 seconds. So once you are happy with the result, you just go ahead, add some text if you want. Guys, I made already a video about Reels, and then you write captions and choose your cover, and here you go. So the next thing that I want to share with you is how to share this content on Pinterest. We're just going to go to Pinterest. Guys, for uploading videos on Pinterest, you need to convert your account into a business account. For this, you'll need to just go to your settings and into the account connected, convert it to a business account. After this, you'll be able to upload videos on Pinterest. So we're gonna go ahead and click on pin, upload this video, go next, choose a cover, give a pin a title, like any kind of keywords that can be necessary. For example, a story, Instagram story idea, and description, and then the website. It can be leading to TikTok or a YouTube video or anything like that. And here you go, one content that can be shared on 2 extra platforms. So guys, you just need to create one piece of content and then share it on 2 different more platforms that will not take you a lot of time, but will bring you an extra traffic. All right, guys, if this video was useful for you, make sure to give it a like. If this video will get 100 likes, then I will make another video on the topic for the ideas for your business, what kind of videos you can publish on TikTok as a business owner if you're selling any kind of products or services. All right, guys, and if you have any ideas, comments, questions, make sure to write it in the comments below, because I create content based on your requests.